When we look at the current market outside over there, what do we see? We see people who are talking about data, people who are talking about technology, but do we actually come at a scenario where we can say that we can integrate both business and technology together? I've always been, involved into integrating artificial intelligence in business management. This course has given me the cutting edge to understand the right kind of technologies and to strengthen my confidence to understand more and more about artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now I can deliver impactful projects by using this kind of expertise and contribute to business and technology strategies as well. Hi, my name is Advait and this is my journey. I'm from New Delhi, India, and I've pursued my graduation in the field of business administration in specialization in business analytics and data science. And apart from that, I have pursued a postgraduate program from IIT Kanpur with specialization in artificial intelligence and machine learning. I'm working as a business analyst and product manager with an aviation giant. See, there are only two things that I believe as the mantra or my motto of life. That is discipline and consistency. The kind of thoughts I always had to pursue big things in life, okay? It all came down to achieving it, but how? That's the big question. So that how was only answered by these two words. That is to be disciplined and to be consistent in everything that you want to achieve in life. When you're actually working as a business analyst and a product manager, you just go through the fundamental side. But what if you're also interested in the technical side? What if you know the business side of the problem? What if you know the business side scenario? What if you know about the managerial tactics? But you really want to create an application, an AI application or an ML application of your own, what would you do then? Then you need to know the basics, right? So if I know the basics, if I know the core of what AI and ML looks like, and if I combine it with proper managerial technique, I can build something of my own. So that was something that was a major motivation and something that I wanted to achieve with this course. When I was teaching myself how to code, so I went across a lot of websites. One fine day, I came across Simplilearn. And when I looked at Simplilearn, the kind of courses they were offering, I did some few free courses in the beginning, got some certifications for that. And of course, I was hungry to gain more and more knowledge about my domain, about technology. So that's how I kept on going. And I found that, yes, Simplilearn is offering, good kind of courses, good kind of coursework, good kind of syllabus as well. In my learning experience, I would say there's one major thing that I've really found the most interesting and something that would always stand out for me. It was just about practically implementing the solutions. My instructor was Mr. Shayan, and he used to properly use a notepad, show us what is the base of the statistical model that we are working on. And then we would implement it. So this is something that stood out the most. In my future, I see myself working as a data-backed, proper strategy consultant. I just don't want to be a normal strategy guy. I want to utilize and harness the power of data over there. Then I could actually use machine learning to get predictive insights. And if I get those predictive insights, I know what is going to happen. I know the accuracy that this could happen, that could happen. And then I can create better strategies. So there's one thing that I would say, that be consistent. If you fail, don't worry, fall in love with failure. But with a mindset that if you're failing right now, you are gonna rise up. If you don't fail, you will not realize what you're capable of. Find a way out, rise up again, and yes, of course, follow this motto that even if you fail, be disciplined and be consistent. So that is something that I would highly recommend every one of you.